How to delete tokens on CoolWallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete tokens on CoolWallet. To do so, first of all, open your CoolWallet application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here in this home screen, you will be able to see the added tokens at the bottom. Now to delete them, first locate the manage option. Once you find it, tap on this manage option at the right side and then you will be taken to this page. Once you reach to this page, here now locate the token that you would like to delete. Once you locate it, now tap on it and swipe it to the left side. By doing so, you'll be able to see the dustbin or the trash bin icon at the right side of it. Now simply tap on this button and a pop-up will appear. From here, select delete option to delete it. By doing so, you will see the token is no longer visible on your wallet. Simply repeat the same process in other tokens you would like to delete. And when you come back to the page, you'll see you have successfully deleted tokens on your CoolWallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete tokens on CoolWallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.